birthday to you. Happy birthday to Grandpa. Happy birthday to you.
And now what else? What are you going to say to Grandpa? Ava.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Get the binky out of your mouth. Just take it out of your mouth, Ave. Come here. No, what are you going to tell Grandpa?
Happy birthday!
And then what else? You're going to say, I love you.
I love you.
Say, I miss you.
I miss you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.